How does the at-fault claims process work? Have you ever wondered what happens after an auto accident when one driver is found to be at fault? The at-fault claims process is designed to help manage the aftermath of such incidents. Let's break it down step by step. First, safety is the top priority. After an accident, make sure everyone is okay. Then, exchange information with the other driver or drivers involved. Collect names, contact details, and insurance information. Don't forget to take photos of the damage and the accident scene. If there are any witnesses, gather their information too. This documentation can be crucial later on. Next, the at-fault driver needs to notify their insurance company as soon as possible. Reporting the accident promptly helps kickstart the claims process. The insurance representative will guide you through the necessary steps and explain your coverage details. Once the claim is filed, the insurance company assigns an adjuster to investigate the accident. Typically, the adjuster will reach out within a few days. They will arrange to inspect the vehicle, review police reports, and may even interview witnesses. This investigation is essential for determining fault and the insurance company's responsibility for covering damages. If the claim is approved, the insurance company will authorize repairs. If the vehicle is deemed a total loss, they will offer a settlement based on the car's actual cash value, minus any deductible. The policyholder usually has the choice of which repair shop to use. Payments can be made directly to the repair shop or to the insured, depending on the agreement. For the at-fault driver, their liability coverage typically pays for damages to the other party's vehicle and any bodily injury claims, up to the policy limits. However, it is important to note that the at-fault driver may see an increase in their insurance premiums after the claim. Throughout this process, keeping detailed records of all communications, estimates, and repair receipts is a smart move. This documentation helps ensure everything is transparent and supports a smooth resolution of the claim. In summary, the at-fault claims process involves documenting the accident, notifying the insurer, an adjuster's investigation, and then either authorizing repairs or issuing a settlement. This process helps manage the financial impact of the accident on the at-fault driver while addressing the damages caused to others.